There are a few things to keep in mind when hunting from a blind. First, make sure that your firearms are unloaded and the safety is on. Don't load your firearms until everything is set up for the hunt. Each hunter in the party should be in the blind and ready for the hunt before the firearms are loaded. Remember, if you have a dog, only have your firearm loaded when it's in the hands of the hunter. Keep all firearms in secure position to avoid any mishaps with your animal. Ensure that all hunters in your blind understand the safe zones of fire. It's important to be mindful of your hunting partner's position and maintain those safe zones of fire. Here's another example. While one hunter may be keyed in on their target, they pull back their barrel the moment another hunter enters their line of sight. During duck season, if approached by a game warden, remember to have the following: a basic hunting license, a Louisiana duck stamp, a federal duck stamp, your HIP certification, non-toxic shot, a properly plugged shotgun, and if required, your hunter safety card. Have a safe and productive hunt.